DS-618AM automatic cementing and toe lasting machine. This machine is applicable for lasting the toe of all kinds of man and lady shoes and sports shoes with automatic cementing. The crosshead projection light will ensure accurate last positioning. The pressure head mechanism adopts adjustable two-segment pressure to ensure steady pressure and achieve the best pressing result. The all-around band and wiper with a special tracking system make sure that each part of upper is tightly against the shoe last after lasting without any point angle but with smooth appearance. The 9 independent pincers can be adjusted independently. The pincer plate can be also adjusted synchronously according to the shoe size. The pincers of number 2 and 5 have independent adjusting device to adapt to different types of last rapidly and accurately to ensure the minimum interval between each pincers and make sure it's free of any angles. The pressure, position, and speed of each device may be adjusted from outside directly and conveniently. The uniquely designed internal and external supporting device can be quickly adjusted to the relative position between it and the middle pincer in accordance with the shoe size. The automatic glue fitting device may also adjust the glue fitting amount according to the lasting requirement.
这个像不像？